If you have an infant or baby at home who's thumb sucking or finger sucking, then it is absolutely okay. In fact, it is great because they have achieved a developmental milestone, hand to mouth coordination. When do babies generally thumb suck? When they are hungry, when they are sleepy, or to self-soothe. So if at all you bring any interference in this developmental activity, then you are actually confusing your baby, who cannot understand what is happening. What he wants to do is not being done, or he is not able to do. Lot of other developmental activities can get delayed. So what to do? Nothing to be done. Almost by the age they complete 6 months, most children stop this because their activities are increasing. They now want to go crawl or pull that chair or a toy that is in front of them, and they leave this. And even if around 2 years of age they are not leaving, it's absolutely okay, because this is the time when you can make them sit and explain it to them as to why it is not to be done, because of hygiene issues, that baby, you are actually dirtying your hand somewhere and then keeping it in your mouth. Or tell them about tooth formation issues. They can understand. Treat them as adults. Please do not try any harsh methods like applying something bitter, covering it with a cloth and tying it near the bed, or name calling like chuse or tuturi in our languages that I have seen. Please stop this because it can affect them mentally. On the other hand, please join us in normalizing thumb sucking in babies.